Hello, I'll be showing you today how to fix your iPhone 5 cable. Because of the poor construction, this cable tends to be fragile and defective. Twisting this cable will break off the wires from the logic board and you'll get an iPhone that will not charge because of one simple wire. I'll start to fix this cable and show you a good way to isolate it and save your cable from ever breaking again. Looks okay now, the wires don't seem to touch each other. It's very important not to touch the wires when doing this because you risk damage to your phone. So I grabbed my double-sided tape here. This is a quite strong tape. I think it will do the trick. We just need one piece of it. Now we're gonna stick it on the cable. I'm trying to elevate a bit the cable and hoping this will stick on the cable. At this point, we need to peel off the other side of the tape. Now that we elevated the cable and fixed it, we're going to grab some shrinking tube that you can find at any hardware store. Now we have to measure and cut a piece. You can use anything to cut it with, just as long as it's straight. And we're gonna slide it on the cable. When the tube is in position and aligned, grab a lighter and start heating up the tube, and you can see it will shrink. Because of the elevated side of the cable with double-sided tape, it will not allow the cable to twist anymore and break. This is a good isolation for this fix, and you can come back and repair this if you need to. This looks good and should hold. It can't twist anymore because of the double-sided tape that holds right here. Before I end this, I would like to test the newly fixed cable. Wall charger. It's fixed and charging the phone. Simple fix. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share this video. Thanks.